So, so according to the problem, so it's a new. So as we know that how to represent root over of any decimal number in a number line, though it's an irrational number. So, well, so according to the problem, there as we know that after constructing the asked problem, we all represent the root of that value or number line after doing few certain processes. So there is, if it's a classic common sum, then what's the purpose of making this concept or in this video? So here actually there is a little misconcept that must be clear out. So in the end of the video, the misconcept will be absolutely over. So let's start. Well, so as all we know that few processes are there for making it. So at first, irrespective to what the length is given, we need to first draw a line of length that is being asked in the question that we must uh, show it in the number line. So if anything like root over of x point y is given, then we need to first draw that line without just by neglecting this root over sign. That means if root over of 5.2 has been asked to represent in number line, then we need to first make a line like this from 0 and the last point is 5.2. The initial process is this. So for any kind of number root over of n, if we need to represent it, so from 0 to n must be drawn at first with the help of a scale and using its units. So in this case, n is nothing but decimal. N must be decimal. So according to these things, actually here it is given root over 9.8 must be shown. So as per as the question, we must first draw 9.8 from 0 to b. That means a to b, the length is 9.8. So the next process that we must do is from the end point of 9.8. So that is b. So from here, where the 9.8 the line has stopped, the final point of 9.8 meter or any distinct line if we make, so at the end we need to draw or construct another line at a same horizon of length 1 unit of 1 unit. So if we make 9.8, it's not meter, this is a point, 9.8 for this case, it's centimeter. So from A to B, from A to B, it's 9.8 centimeter. So A C is 9.8, and always C to D. For every case, if we use to construct root over of something, then we have to first draw that number or that something number. Then we need to extend from its final point to 1 centimeter. So first we need to do it. Next, the process is nothing but to divide the line into two equal halves. So what to do? This is our final line A D, that is AC equals to 9.8 and CD equals to 1. So now this is AD. The value of AD, so the value of AD, that is A, and this is D. So the total length of this is 9.8 plus 1. That means 10.8. So now we need to divide this 10.8 centimeter into two halves. So if we divide this whole line, the whole line is AD that we made. So if we divide it into two halves, we will get AD divided by 2. We are dividing it into two halves, so each half will be AB plus BD. So AD divided by 2, that means AB is one part and BD is another part. So that means if we divide a line, these two halves are equal. This half is equals to this half. Not this one, only till this. I am saying that AB equals to BD. Here also AB equals to BD. So this one is A, this one is A, this one is B, and this one is B, this one is D. So this AB equals to this B to D only, not this part, B to D. So the value of AB is equals to BD, and that is 5.4. That means I can say that this part is 5.4 and this is also 5.4. If we just divide it. So I hope you all know how to divide a line into two halves. Just place your protector at your final point. Take the length of line more than its center. Make an arc here. Again replace your compass to this point. Again without changing the measurement, make a mark here. Same, without changing the measurement, make a mark here also. Also place it here and make a mark like this way. This is a line. You place a protector. Assume this be center and take length more than center and make a semicircle like this. Now without changing the measurement, keep your compass here, needle here, again make an circle. At an instinct, these two this arc and this arc will cut each other. So this cutting at these 2 points, this point and this point, if you join, this line will be divided into two equal halves. So by this process, a line is to be divided into two halves by geometrical means. So When we divide, then each part will be 5.4 and another will be 5.4. So our next and the final process is nothing but at point C, means at point C, and C is nothing but AC. Okay, the last point of 9.8 centimeter. Where you have C, you have taken AC equals to 9.8. That means A to C, the whole length is 9.8, because I have taken it and then make it 1 centimeter, and then I am making it divided, then it is coming 5.4 and 5.4, because this 9.8 plus 1 is 10.8, and I am dividing 10.8 by 2, I am getting 5.4 each. So now at point C, I need to construct a line perpendicular to this whole line. So I hope you also know the process. First, a line must be taken. For this case, AF or AD or anything you want, AD and CS, AD perpendicular to CS. If we want to make, then we need to take a point. Here it is C. So here it is C. I am zooming. Okay. So now take a length. Any length you can take. Take length, make an arc. After making an arc, without changing that length, keep your compass needle at this point or this point. Remember, if you take your compass at this point, then make an arc here, and again place your compass needle here and make an arc here without changing the measurement. I am again saying without changing the measurement. So if you place your compass here, then same you can do the same process, but I am just doing a one process only. So do this, and again place your compass needle at this point, make an arc again at this point, this needle at this point, and make an arc. After making an arc, join at the intersection point. So this will be perpendicular to the line formed. Well, so now what must be done is that I am getting C and let it be S. I am getting CS equals to root 9.8. So CS root 9.8. And now the problem comes. See, in all the schools we are used to do, we copy it, we place our protractor here, compass here, compass needle here, and then take the measurement of CS and make an arc on this line. So my length will be CS equals to, and next this point let be CF, so this is root over 9.8. But actually it's wrong. That's why it's the purpose of making this video. So now let's carefully see one thing. Now if I consider root of 2, then it's 1.414. So here 2 is obviously more than root 2, but in this case root over 9.8 is more greater than what 9.8 is. See, you can see root over 9.8. I am saying this one as root over 9.8, right? So how this could happen? So this is totally a misconcept. Actually, in this case, magnitude is all same, but the direction is get changed. In a circular path, magnitude of velocity becomes same, but the direction changes, so its value also changes. Value means not magnitude, the direction changes, so there is a occurrence of acceleration. So in this case, Actually, if we used to make root 2 in number line, then we know that root 2 equals to 1.4. 1 4 4, it's 4. So we need to take a length of 1 unit perpendicularly at 1 unit and make this line joined and then make a mark here. So I am not against this thing because till here 1 and here it's 2. Here it's 2. That means root over 2 is here less than 2 according to the line, according to the visualization. It is okay because nearby here it is 1.4 like, but here the thing is that it is get changed because when we are taking this line's measurement, that is CS, and making an arc, actually we are saying it root over 9.2, but if we consider this whole line, then A to C it's 9.8 and root over 9.8 is more than 9.8. So according to it, root over 9.8 is more than 9.8. So this is actually a misleading concept. So we cannot place this here. So that's why I have made this video, to properly show the concept behind it. Many schools provide yes and somehow cuts it. So that's the thing, we must always do the right one. So the answer is we need to take the length by protector, and afterwards we need to make an arc in inwards direction like this way, Well, if we make it, then this one is the actual one, and if we make like this way, if we consider this part, then it is wrong. So we must consider the right part because this is the actually right thing. So here we need to take the length of CS with the compass and make an arc inwards it. Remember, it's nothing but, I'm just saying it to, it's Lakshman Rekha. So we must not cross it. If we cross it, then there will be a problem. And the problem is nothing but root 2 will get more than 2. So that is actually not correct. So we cannot make a line or say a line that it is root over of 9.8 or something like x if we make outwards the circumference of radius 5.4. Okay, so it's a line concept. It's similar to that concept that I have made in previous video, that if it is 5, if it is 10, then it is 5. The length of the line is 5. The length of the line is not 10. But when we are consider 0 and when you consider it 100, then it means that the line is nothing but 100. So this must be keep in our mind. So the final thing is that after doing everything, we must just remember one thing, that our construction must be in inwards direction. That means we need to copy CS and we need to make this line, we need to take the measurement, and this measurement is nothing but root over 9.8, and we need to make an arc in this direction, in the anti-clockwise direction. in the anti-clockwise direction, and then at a point which it cuts the number line, we will say it as yes, this is root 9.8. Okay, so in this case this is actual perfect and you will get 100 out of 100. So that must be keep in mind. Now if you can check in a parallax, not parallax, in a visual, you can see that yes, 9.8 is A to C and root over 9.8 must be smaller than it. So see, you can see root over of 9.8 is smaller than it. So in according to this construction, it is proving that root over 9.8 is smaller than 9.8, and that is true. So that's all. So if you like it, hit the like button, share, subscribe for getting this type of more conceptual things and tricky questions. Bye.